This is Rod Kusin Spooman for Risk on November 2nd, 2009. Our video today is once again going to focus on the DPO, the Detrended Price Oscillator, and we're going to show you how we make use of this in our strategy. But just a brief review. The DPO, which you see plotted here, shows up on the screen as a color gradient ranging from a dark magenta into a yellow. This color gradient is actually associated with a numeric value, and we have developed a version of the DPO that will reveal to you the actual numeric value of the color gradient. And surprisingly enough, yellow is associated with about 65,000, whereas dark magenta is associated with 16.7 million. You can go to our website, RSKsys.com, and download your own personal copy of this indicator for free. Now notice what we do with this. We're going to open up the numeric value in the print log, and once again you'll notice here that 65,000 is the lowest value, and we hit that several times during this morning, whereas 16.7 million is the highest value, and we hit that as well several times during the course of the day. But what we've done with this information is plugged it into our strategy. And what we told the strategy to do was to simply make use of two pieces of information. Number one, the maximum values that we just referred to, and divergence on the VIX. Now in this strategy, we're going to send out a signal when we have both these two factors taking place at the same time. The blue colored bars that you see here indicate divergence. That's where we have divergence. The long signal occurs when the divergence happens simultaneous with the maximum range of the DPO on the VIX. So the divergence is coming from the VIX as well as the maximum value. So here at around 846, 847, we get our long signal. The market is down there just below 1035. Our first short signal comes 5 points later when we hit divergence, and we also hit the maximum range on the VIX DPO, which is 16.7 million. Now the market continues to move up. We get another signal here, and ultimately another signal up in here. But we don't see another signal on the downside. Oh, pardon me, I get one more signal over here. One more signal. Actually a set of signals. And we don't see anything more on the downside until way down here late in the morning. Oops, pardon me. Let's pull that up. So once again, the divergence takes place, and the numeric value of the signal also takes place. Now, it did drop a little bit lower, and ultimately way over here at around 1026 it happens again. And that's it. Okay? No further signals, no further divergence, and those values, those two factors never came together again. So let's review. Let's Let's go back to the beginning of the day. Here at around 10:34, rides it up to 10:40. Then we start getting short signals at around 44, 48, and just above 48, around 49, right there toward the high, and then down all the way at a little greater than 28, and then a little later at 26. The strategy performance report looks like this. Not bad. And that's by way of using the extreme values of the DPO on the VIX in conjunction with our divergence formula. And we get some very nice trades. Okay? So make no mistake, this piece of information is very useful. Now, by itself, it can be useful. But when you begin to combine this with other things that perhaps you use in your own trading, or of course, if you would like to come and learn from us, we invite you to do so. But we can show you some exceptionally good ways to put this kind of information together to improve your trading experience. So that's basically all that we wanted to share with you today. The information can be used in our strategy. There's a lot that goes into our strategy, which we won't go into on this video, but in any case, our trading experience is a good one. Our motto is never have a losing day. We don't. And the reason for that is because of the caliber of information that we make use of. So, once again, come ask for a demonstration. RSKsys.com. You can get our phone number right in conjunction with this video. But please go to our website, examine our website. We've got some excellent things that are discussed on the site, and some things that you may be able to make use of in your own trading activities. This is Rod Kusin and Spooman for Risk.